Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to find a solution about Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you click. Here in this page of app info you will enter to first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that we click on clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.